Hello, in this video we will say how can we sell tickets via WhatsApp bot. So go to bot builder, set trigger. Let's add a question block, interactive message. Here I am giving options for 3 categories. So bronze, silver and gold. Save this response to custom field category and then save question. Now next, if the person selects bronze, let's add another question block, text message for asking number of people. Save this response under custom field. So I'm selecting how many here and then save question. Now let's send a confirmation message before sending the payment link. So again, interactive message. Kindly confirm the following. Category, we can map it from the custom field. Again, quantity, we can map it from the custom field. Confirm or change. And then save question. Now if the user selects change details, add a go to block to second step and then save. If the user selects confirm, add a send message block. Here scroll down, select payment message, upload header image, enter body text. You can enter a footer text also, it is optional. Now under payment order details, product name 1 will be category. You can enter the price here and then set quantity. Similarly, you can add more product names if you want. I'm adding only one here. Next, select payment gateway, select currency. You can also set payment order expiration minutes here. You can add tax details or shipping charges if any. Save this. Now let's copy these blocks and connect them with silver and gold. Now create another bot flow with the trigger as payment received. Select channel here and then click on save. Now add a send message block, order status message, enter body text here. So for example, payment received, reference ID, you can map it. This will be payment reference ID. I can enter the order status as paid and enter a description if you want. Save this message. Let's also add the amount here. So payment received for amount, and I can map this from the custom field payment amount. Now this is an optional step. You can fetch payment order. So for that, go to add automation app and here search payments. Select fetch payment order and simply map payment reference ID here. And then click on run and save. Now in the next step, you can send the details that we have fetched in the previous step. Here I am adding tickets app. So ticket QR and then create new QR. Select authentication from the drop down. Here in the tickets app, I am creating a new object. I can simply copy the object ID from here and paste in event ID. Next, map name, WhatsApp number, custom field 1 can be category, and custom field 2 can be quantity, that is how many. Simply run and save this. Now in the next step, select send message block, image message. Here the type will be dynamic. Select image experience from the drop down. So this is the image experience that I have already created. and then map all the variables here. So I will map category and quantity. Ticket ID will be the QR code content. So simply click on expand all and select QR code content. You can enter a caption text if you want. Now save this. Save this workflow and enable it. Thank you.